Hello guys, welcome to the video of Health Spot. Looking for a perfect home remedy to stop hair fall and get beautiful tresses? Castor oil is all you need. Known for its medicinal benefits and vital role in hair care, castor oil is extracted from castor seeds through pressing. This pale yellow oil is magical when it comes to stimulating hair growth. Being packed with 18 different types of fatty acid, castor is perfect to nourish your hair follicles and retain moisture in the hair. It treats dandruff and prevents all scalp-related problems. Castor oil has anti-inflammatory properties that help in soothing your scalp and reducing irritation and itching. Applying it on a daily or even weekly basis can improve blood circulation to the scalp and improve the thickness of hair and its density too. Its antioxidant properties help in preventing premature graying of hair. In this video, we will tell you 3 benefits of using castor oil for hair and how to use it. Before going into video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Number 1. Castor oil prevents graying. Castor oil is also an excellent treatment for slowing down the process of premature graying. Applying small amounts of castor oil to your hair can help it retain its pigments for relatively longer, keeping it from turning gray or white too early. Number 2. Works as a natural conditioner. Its moisture-locking properties are especially useful for conditioning dry and damaged hair. The antioxidants present in castor oil can also help augment the keratin in the hair, thereby ensuring that your hair becomes much stronger, shinier, and healthier. Number 3. Improved hair growth. When it comes to improving hair growth, there's perhaps no other ingredient as tried and tested as castor oil. Used in both the Indian and the African regions, castor oil is known to increase hair growth by about 4 to 5 times the normal rate, while also turning your hair thicker and relatively much healthier. Although there are multiple reviews and testimonials of people online vouching for its hair regenerative properties, there isn't any proven scientific study yet that states that the oil could help you recover lost hair. How to use castor oil for hair? For hair growth, you can either use castor oil on its own or mix it with other oils like almond, coconut, and sesame oils. You can do this to loosen up the castor oil as its consistency is thick. Mix all the oils in a bowl and heat it a bit for better penetration. Leave it overnight and then wash your hair with a mild shampoo. Let your hair dry on its own. Do not use a hairdryer. Now comes to: when should you avoid castor oil? It is best to avoid using castor oil on your hair if you're suffering from dandruff. Both of our experts say it can make the condition worse. If you know any other factor, please comment below. Please take a moment to click the thumbs up button and share this information with your family and friends. Consider subscribing if you are new to the channel. Stay healthy.